Welcome to the Scientific Publications channel. If you write scientific articles, you might have wondered, how do I structure my work to make it easy to read, cite, and most importantly, to publish? The answer is simple. Use the IMRAD structure. IMRAD is not just a set of letters. It's a clear structure used in most international journals. IMRAD stands for Introduction, Methods, Results, and Discussion. We are starting a video series where we will explain each part of this structure in detail. Today, let's look at the general ideas. Think of your article as a manual and IMRAD structure as a logical order for presenting it. This structure helps reviewers quickly understand your work, how you conducted the research, and the conclusions you made. This saves time and increases your chances of successful publication. Let's talk about each section briefly. Introduction. The introduction is not just the beginning of your paper. It's your chance to show why your topic is important. You should answer these key questions. Why is this research important now? What problem are you solving? What is the goal of your research? For example, if you are studying the impact of artificial intelligence on education, explain in the introduction why this is relevant in the age of technological progress. The introduction should not just inform, but also engage. Start with a specific problem and statistic. Also, explain the practical value of your research. How can your findings help solve real-world problems? Next, we go into methods section. This section is the key to building trust in your work. It should answer the main question: how did you get your results? This is essential for others to verify your research. If your methods are unclear or not detailed enough, it will be hard for readers to trust your study. Be specific and answer these questions. What exactly did you do? How long did the research take? What sample size did you use? What materials or equipment were involved? It's also important to explain why you made certain choices. Why did you use this method instead of another? Why was the research duration suitable? Every decision should have a reason. This shows your research is logical and meets scientific standards. The results section is the heart of your article. Here, you present the data from your research. Reviewers focus on this section because it shows whether your hypothesis was correct or reveals new insight in your field. In this section, you only present the data, no analysis yet. Analysis comes later in the discuss section. Be clear, use visual tools like graphs or tables, and avoid general statements. Discussion. The discussion section is more than just analyzing your data. It's where you explain why your results are important, how they compare to other studies, and what new knowledge they bring to your field. Answer following questions. Why do your results matter? How do they relate to previous studies? What are the limitations of your research? And what's next? What should you avoid in this section? General statements like "these results are interesting." Instead say "these results are interesting because they contradict previous beliefs about adaptation process of something." Lack of references. Your discussion should include citations to support your arguments. And ignoring limitations. Admitting the weaknesses of your study shows honesty and builds trust. The discussion section is your opportunity to show why your research matters, what problems it solves, and what questions remain open for future studies. The biggest mistake here is not subscribing to our channel, because we'll soon release detailed videos on each section of the IMRAD structure. Other common mistakes are unclear problem statement in the introduction, insufficient details in the method section, superficial analysis in the discussion. Tips for success with IMRAD structure. Finally, here are some practical tips. Always start with a plan. Think about what you want to say in each section. Follow the journal's guidelines, as they might have specific requirements. And check your text for clarity and grammar. IMRAD is not just a structure, it's your key to success. By following this format, you'll make your article clear, logical, and attractive to readers and reviewers. If you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe to our channel and comment below which section of IMRAD do you find the hardest. And see you in the next videos.